Yuri, see what you did? You see what you did, bud? Look at that. Yeah, you did that. Mm-hmm. Hi, everybody. Yeah, that's your fault. Poor little lizard lost his tail because of you. Welcome, everybody, to a fun fact video about, you guessed it, lizards. Not kitty cats, but lizards. Well, it's Yuri's fault that we're talking about lizards, but we're going to focus on lizards. So, for my last video, you saw that my kitty cat, Yuri, caught the lizard. And I was able to catch Yuri, take the lizard out of his mouth, save him. So I was curious about the situation, and I went online to find some fun facts about lizards that you might find interesting. So, what I found is that lizards, many lizards, they can intentionally detach their tail. That's right, to get away from you. A defense mechanism called caudal autotomy, to escape predators. The detached, wiggling tail, it distracts the predators and gives the lizard a chance to flee, to run to safety. So it'll wiggle around. You may have seen it before, and it will distract this guy. He'll think it's a toy or something to eat, and the lizard has a chance to run for his life. Yeah, so the tail breaks along specific predetermined fracture planes in the vertebrae, and then often regenerates over time, over weeks or months. The lizard voluntarily can snap their tail muscles at specific weak points, fracture planes. When they're threatened, to create this distraction so that they can run away, save their life. Yeah. So, process involves specialized muscular contractions that can seal off the blood vessels, preventing significant bleeding. So it's not that big of a deal for them to lose their tail, because it'll just regenerate over time. They're not going to lose a lot of blood. And it gives them a chance to run for their life from this guy. Yeah, from you, Yuri. Yeah, so if you haven't seen my other video about lizards, please check it out. Talked about the benefits of lizards for your garden and how you should help them to survive. Help them to flourish in your garden, your ranch, your farm, because they're such a great benefit. They eat all the bad bugs that eat your vegetables. So you don't have to use any kind of toxic chemicals. I never recommend that. Nature's the best way to go, not toxic chemicals. And if you use toxic chemicals, it's a great threat to lizards and birds and wildlife. So please consider using Nature's remedy. Lizards, birds, a lot of natural ways to control pests, so you don't have to rely on chemical poison. All right, Yuri. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I appreciate it. If you liked it, please check out my other videos. Alrighty then. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be well. Say bye-bye, Yuri.